Life is so big when you're first born. The world is a canvas, you can't ever be torn. Your mother's nourishment is a must, it's how you begin, determines who you trust. Yeah, you don't wanna have to fuss. So now let's have a talk about them terrible twos. Getting a little sassy, trying to break all them rules. You start to form your own will, a little confidence. Now we trying to expand, but don't want any consequence. When I was little, I pushed my mom over the edge. Daniel disaster, disobey was my pledge. By age 5 I started living through all these toys. A dream world that would later end up being destroyed. Firefighter, athlete, and or cop. I'd be whatever I want, no one ever tried to stop. But it all changed with a pop. Who knew my life would end up being flip-flopped? Life a bunch of stages, blood, sweat, and tears have written these pages. Trying to lock up dreams, but I'm determined to break through the seams. In life, see chances team, trying to catch one, make it beat. Don't stab me in the back, I'd rather you kill me up front than do that. Take a swing, grab your bat, trust in yourself. You gotta rely from when you're a baby until you die. Now age 6, so you're going to school. Teachers tell you what to do, give you the tools. But what happens if you're not as smart? Put you with the fools. They don't teach about struggle in a world where pain rules. It's tough living as a socially awkward adolescent. When you got no presence, this life ain't pleasant. Hard to find an identity when no one's like you. Most live only one life, while I live two. Hard to find a reason to live when no one's left. When mind and body fail, you gotta dig deep in your chest. I made it my goal to strive and hurt to be the best. Lift up those who feel, inferior to the rest. Please don't even get me started on my romance. Sometimes I think I got a better chance in France. Here, and believe me, I really fear isolation, but I'm more scared of having bad relations. Life a bunch of stages, blood, sweat, and tears have written these pages. Trying to lock up dreams, but I'm determined to break through the seams. In life, see chances team, trying to catch one, make it beat. Don't stab me in the back, I'd rather you kill me up front than do that. Take a swing, grab your bat, trust in yourself. You gotta rely from when you're a baby until you die. Want a good wife, modest but loves life. Treat my kids right, help them see the light. Gonna have to fight, don't leave morals out of sight. Hard to think of death, what I feel with my last breath. Hope I've given more than taken. Pray in heaven that I'll one day awaken. Hope how I battle frustration will be inspiration. Now's my time for salvation.